Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Digital Forensics Specialist with ADF Solutions. Today we are going to explore the text analytics capabilities built into ADF's digital forensics software with the integration of Rusoka. Rusoka brings the power of automated entity extraction and language identification with gisting directly into ADF through a tightly integrated user experience. Rusoka runs locally on the investigator's computer, processing documents in over 200 languages to identify entities and locations in unstructured documents. This powerful functionality allows frontline operators to speed their intelligence gathering with the ability to view translated data from structured and unstructured evidence so they can make better informed decisions starting on scene. Rusoka is built into Triage G2, Triage G2 Pro, and available as a Rusoka add-on for Mobile Device Investigator, Digital Evidence Investigator, and Triage Investigator or our bundled Pro tools. After completing a scan, the classifier will run with the entities extraction automatically. This process can be paused and resumed if necessary. Entity extraction will run after image and video classification. Once completed, the entities can be filtered in the table where the entities were located, and also in the Entities tab on the specific file. When looking at a specific file with entities, the gloss or gist is shown as well as the original file. Along with documents, entities can also be located in tables such as email and messages. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.